Hi guys, Ramadan actually started yesterday and my plan was to vlog for you guys, but I couldn't because I was in school the whole day and I got home late. Like, though I didn't have time to pick up the camera to vlog, so I had like back-to-back classes yesterday and it was like a full day and I got home pretty late, so I was just, I was like, there's no point. Today is Friday, Jum'ah Kareem, so we're gonna go to school. I have classes just in the morning, so I think I'll be back home early. I'm just dressed in like an abaya. This is like a striped abaya I've had for like years now. I don't know, it's like, I got this I think in 2016 maybe. Also, another thing is I'm trying to go makeupless for like the most part of this month. Like, that's my goal, just to let my skin breathe. My schedule for like posting videos this month is I want to put up like the weekly vlogs every Thursday, and then probably like on a Sunday or like on a Monday, Tuesday, I put up like my regular videos just to stay on track, you know what I mean? So let me know if that's a good idea, but that's like what I plan on doing. So every Thursday is going to be like a vlog, and then I haven't yet decided, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we're gonna put up another like regular makeup related, beauty related, fashion related video. That's where I'm at right now. So yeah, let's I think I look okay. Let's get going. In the dark corner, you will get the earwood beating. I spikes are so high, you'll break yourself and I end up crying. In home, he felt very nauseous and had a terrible headache. He had a light concussion. A few days later, after he had recovered, he experienced a massive thunderstorm. Which he missed him. And with Bob, she's the same age as you are. Guys, today is day 4. And I don't know, it's just me. Ramadan is going so quick. It's going so quick. It's practically just like past Asr. I just left the kitchen. I know I haven't vlogged that much yesterday and today. It's only because I don't know, I'm just busy and I just don't want to shove the camera in front of my family's face. I feel like Ramadan is like such an intimate time. And then let me show you. I just made like a DIY mask. I help so many people use like fenugreek on their hair. Sounds so bad. Anyway, this is like fenugreek with milk and grapeseed oil. I just want to put it like as a hair mask. I was supposed to even like wash my brushes. Do you see how dirty this beauty blender is? So disgusting. I need to wash that. I haven't touched these brushes in a while. So the brushes, I need to fix this cabinet. Okay, so one of the cabinets from my drawer was like spoiled, right? One of like the roller things that helps it roll out fell off. And I've been trying to call these people to come and fix it, but they haven't. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Hopefully they can come and check it out and just fix up, because fam. But that's basically it. I think I'm just gonna take a shower and I'll see you guys probably later. Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning and the weather is so bad. I'm headed to school. Currently 8 a.m. Not ready for this. Although I do like Ramadan when it's this rainy, because I feel like it's easier that way. I don't know, but I don't like the weather. This is the first item. Is this? It's too, I don't know. The yellow is like vomity. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's like a nice fit because it's like a crop sweater with like a hood and everything. It's like velvety and it's quite soft, but I don't like the color. A few days later, after he had recovered, he experienced a massive thunderstorm. Which he missed him. And with Bob, she's the same age as you are, but I kept
everything better. She also goes regularly to Oral's class. From tomorrow, you'll be going there together. Now off to bed.
So I'm currently editing the vlog, right? Like this vlog that you're watching, and I just realized like 3/4 of the parts I'm like just in my room. Okay, I'm currently in school, but I'm just in my room just talking to you guys. It's so boring, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Isn't much I'm usually up to when I'm in school, so there's no point of you guys seeing that, but I'm just watching it. I'm like, wow, you guys, I didn't know vlogging was this hard. It's because I guess I'm not usually up to that much. So I just left school. I'm here at Sukra's warehouse. I'm here to actually pick up the clothes. So let's go. The place is like upstairs, like I have to climb a couple of flights of stairs, and I'm fasting, so